The gateways that link us to the world are our biggest vulnerabilities in the Ebola epidemic. Since the virus can only get here via travelers coming from abroad, the health minister says one way to prevent that is to stop those most at risk from landing here.
Prime Minister has approved it in principle pending the comments of the Minister of National Security on the travel card, as well as that of the Attorney General on the possibility of looking at the visa restrictions.
We checked with a staffer at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs who told us that nationals of Liberia, where the outbreak is most rampant, and nationals of Guinea require visas. People from Sierra Leone, which recorded the second highest number of cases and deaths, do not require visas to come here because it's a fellow Commonwealth country. But the government is awaiting legal advice before pressing ahead with the ban, since it may violate international treaties or conventions. There's a growing chorus in the U.S. in favor of a travel ban there, and 6 African nations have already banned flights from the West African region, according to National Geographic. Still, the health minister acknowledges that the World Health Organization does not support countries closing their borders to nationals from the affected West African nations. Then there's the prospect of Trinidad and Tobago nationals working in the region and wanting to return home.
Somebody who is not a citizen of those countries will not be flagged. And as a result of that, Trinidadians who are working in those areas of infectivity will be able to enter Trinidad as it is now without us knowing their travel history. Now, those are things that we are working on.
As for the preparation for the possible treatment of an Ebola patient, the CMO says a group of health workers has volunteered for training. But he's also appealing to all workers to know the signs and symptoms of the disease.
It's critically important that the one thing you don't do when you're handling something like that is create panic. Panic will undo everything.
An appeal for calm in the face of a frightening epidemic. Fane Richards, TV6 News.